بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is the cough variant asthma? It's noted that coughing is the only clinical manifestation of asthma in up to 50% of patients with asthma. And in cough variant asthma, the cough, this type of asthma, is referred to as a cough variant asthma. Cough variant asthma should be considered when persistent cough is exacerbated by cold or exercise or when cough worsens at night. Airway hyperresponsiveness may also suggest the diagnosis of cough variant asthma. This disease responds to asthma medications such as bronchodilators and inhaled corticosteroids.